Well, there are a few options. They're all snore guards to some degree. It's just a matter of what type of snore guard. Some people are light snorers and others are heavier snorers. And so we try to assess you and see, kind of make sure that it's not sleep apnea that you're having. If your airway is getting cut off in the middle of the night, that's not something that we want to treat with just a snore guard. That's something that we definitely want you to see an ear, nose, and throat physician for, because not breathing in the middle of the night is not good. But we do offer various snore guards here, and some of our patients love them. Well, it's not them, it's mainly the wives. The wives come in or call us saying, thank you, I'm finally getting a good night's sleep. And they're kind of fitted like a night guard or like an athletic mouth guard. And it just kind of helps open up your airway a little bit better, so that when you go to sleep at night, your jaw doesn't relax so much that your airway gets cut off and you snore.